and welcome to Theme Park Family, where me and my family go around theme parks, checking all the biggest coasters, dark rides, flat rides and shows. However though, today's a very special day because we're actually not at a theme park. We've actually been invited to this place in Derby called Injoy. It's a massive activity place it is. It's got soft play areas, it's got wall climbing. Now there's actually two of these in the UK. There's one in Southampton and there's actually one here at Derby. If you are going to try and find it at Derby, it is near the bus station itself. I cannot wait to do this actually. First off, I want to say a massive thank you to Kerry, who's actually complimented us with free tickets to come and explore this incredible activity place. It has got, like I say, wall climbing. I think it's got about 5 wall climbing places. It's also got a massive soft play area. Also, this place opens from 9 till 6 every day, which is incredible. Don't you think, Liam?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm actually excited.
Okay, they do have 10 slots per activity per hour on the hour as well. So like I say, if it's 10 o'clock and there's 10 slots, so I will advise you to make sure you pre-book really early because these slots get filled up extremely quickly. And like I said, there's only 10 slots per activity per hour. So yeah, make sure you do that. They've got so many offers. So I will link the website at the bottom of this video. So here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're going to do Injoy. So hopefully we'll enjoy. See you in there. Okay, this is the climbing wall activities. Wow, this looks really impressive. Check this out. Hello there guys. We are now in the fun wall. Super excited about this. Apparently there is 17 or 16 walls to climb here with all different levels and things sticking out. Absolutely brilliant. I cannot wait. Are you looking forward to it? I can just see your face now looking around. It looks amazing. Now, if you are thinking about doing the fun wall, it's going to cost you £8 an hour, which in my eyes is really cheap considering how many walls there are. It's incredible. Now, if you are also going to do that, make sure you come here half an hour before your session starts. So if you have a 11 o'clock booking, make sure you get here at 10:30 so you can get kitted out with all the safety gear, and also you do have a 10-minute brief as well by the members of staff. So here we go. Let's try it. You got the GoPro on? Oh yes. We're going to do the fun wall. Okay, just to let you know also, Bella's not actually 3 and she's actually got a baby harness as well. So it all depends. There's actually no age limit, but it's whether they can pull themselves up pretty much. It's all about their body strength. I've just been advised by the actual staff itself. Now, if you're new to this and you've got little legs and you're quite small, they do say the Planet one is actually quite difficult. Also, the Star one just here, that's also quite difficult too. The Tree one just here is quite difficult, and also the Triangle one is also quite difficult too. But the rest of them are quite simple. Liam's finding it extremely difficult, but that's just Liam anyway. Bella's loving it at the moment. So in the meantime, we are going to do a few more walls, and then we're going to get the full review off Liam and off Bella and off also Kelly and Hayley too. See you guys soon. Okay, it's not just walls that actually climb here as well. We've also got this incredible, I don't know, kind of looks like you have to balance on top of it each one and try and get to right at the top. However though, don't worry, you are strapped to the cable just at the top here. Okay, that's it now. We have done the fun wall. I'm with Safe at the moment, who's actually part of the staff crew here at the... Is it just the fun wall you do, or do you do the other activities?
I do all of them, to be fair, but
You do
I'm
all of
mainly
them?
on the wall, yeah.
First off, when did this actually open?
Officially last Saturday.
Right.
But we've been trialling it 2 weeks before that.
So you've had like soft openings kind of thing. Anything that we're looking forward to in the future? Any other activities maybe?
Definitely the laser tag. That should hopefully come in
bonus.
January time. But yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful.
We're doing adult sessions for that as well.
Adult sessions. You'll see me again, for sure. And last but not least, what is the age, roughly, for this kind of area? Depends, like you said earlier on, with your body strength and stuff. But would you say about 10 years of age is a really good age to...
Yeah, I'd say that's perfect age, because then they can definitely do all the balls.
Oh, brilliant, yeah. But I look ridiculous, so I'm going to get changed back into my normal clothes, and then we're going to do the soft play area. So see you guys there. See you soon. Okay, we are doing the actual fun wall. Are you having a good time? Is it fun?
It's fun, but when you're actually up there, when you have to fall, it gets really nervous.
Oh, mate, I did see it. You were like shaking in your knees, mate, and stuff. However, the staff are brilliant here. They really are. They do help you out, and it's good. The fact of Bella Bugis over here can even do it as well, because she loves climbing. We're going to do a few more walls around here, and then I think we're going to try and do the soft play area. And then there's actually an interactive room as well, with all the lights in, and you can touch stuff and everything. It looks absolutely brilliant. Hello. Okay, right now we are heading towards the interactive room. It's I think it's Southampton has the largest one in the UK. However, this is the second largest one here at Derby. Yes, I've heard such positive things about it all. It's going to be really good. I know that it can be for any age. I think there's like a sandpit area with a projector laser on top of it all. You can touch the walls, the animals and stuff. So I'm super excited to get into this room. Let's have a look. What's going on there, Liam?
It's going to be like a showdown.
Wow, it's like the sea. Is it sand?
It's like connect sand.
Wow.
Look, it's like melting.
That is quite impressive.
What is it?
It's sand.
But it's like do that, look. Look at my hand.
This is absolutely amazing. Dig it in.
Yeah, the deeper you go, the more water is, the higher you go, you get the snow on the mountain.
That is amazing. That is actually amazing. The deeper you go.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, Kelly's got a pencil. What's she going to try and do? Oh, she's drawing. Oh no, you're painting. Wow. Okay, what is it, Kel? Is it like, oh, I'm loving that with the fireworks, you press it. That is amazing. So everything what you touch, it interacts. Oh, apart from them, the snowman does, or the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. So first off, what you need to do is you actually need to
Colour it in.
colour the. So you're doing a purple. Is it a purple elephant?
Just put the main animal in. You don't need to put the background in.
So yeah, there you go. Just colour the animal in.
Whatever colour that is.
Doesn't have to be neat or anything like that. You're actually putting your name on it.
I am.
There we go. Come to this machine over here.
And then press send.
And press send.
Just press send and then it'll come up and say hello.
There you are. And there she is, Kelly.
Kelly the elephant.
Kelly the elephant. That is amazing. Okay, let's have a look at your drawing. Okay, there's Liam's attempt. So now what we're trying to do now is put it into this.
Yeah, I'll put it in there. Oh, sorry, send. That's it, press send.
Now watch. There it is. You may not see it, but we're actually still in the interview. It's a good area. However, Hayley pointed something out actually. there needs to be
A
a stair gate near the doors because kids can just run out and you lose them. They're not going to escape from the building, but like you said, it's useful to have like a door or a stair gate just as you're coming in or out of the actual interacting place itself. I know it's our job to obviously keep supervised, but because it's dark and there's quite a lot of kids about,
When you got a kid like Bella, she just runs off.
she just goes. So yeah, it's just one of them things where it's brilliant in here. It's absolutely amazing. You could probably spend about half an hour in here. However, though, it's good to have that extra safety just in case they run off. But in the meantime, now we are going to go to the soft play area. Okay, right now we're in the catering area where kids can actually come here and they can cook food. I think they do also have parties here. They've got ovens. This is absolutely incredible here in the arts and cookery area. Okay, please do notice that they do have lockers here. You've got lockers over here and over here. That's where the climbing area is. These locker systems is quite simple. What you do is you put it in there. There's a button just here that kind of like need to twist it. Put your code in what you want. And then that's it, it's locked up. Just remember the code, the job's a good one. And I must admit, all lockers are absolutely free as well, which is great. But this is the kind of locker room. But yeah, that's really good. And it's absolutely free too. Bonus.
The water's always high. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. Take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made of all the love we find.
Okay, that is it. That is our time here in Injoy. Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Has it been good, has it?
Yeah,
What's been your
actually.
best activity?
Probably the sandboxing.
Oh, in the interaction room
Yeah.
zone. Yeah, it's amazing that was. The fun wall. Did you enjoy
Fun
them?
wall?
With 16 walls as well, man. Wow, that's insane.
It was scary but also fun at the same time.
It was scary.
So when you're climbing up, it's pretty fun, but when you have to fall, it gets.
Was it quite scary? Okay, like I said before, the fun wall is £8 an hour. You need to be here once again half an hour before your session starts, so you can get strapped up and also with your safety brief as well. So like I say, if you're here at 11 o'clock, make sure you're here for about 10:30 as well. Overall, it's been great. The staff have been really friendly, amazing, absolutely incredible. Thank you so much, Kerry, once again for allowing us for complimentary to this incredible place. I do hope you guys come and visit. It's amazing. It really, really is. We've also been told that also there's going to be a laser tag here in the soft play area, and that's after 6 o'clock. Times may change, however, make sure you look on their website as well. Also, you can also mix and match your activities on top of that as well. So overall, make sure you check out the website, make sure you come here at Injoy. So that is it. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. So from me, Danny, and everyone here from Theme Park Family, take care. Bye bye.